This is your mini lecture for lesson 102. On ones like this, you remember. I hope that you remember. You have your Pascal's triangle, and if you remember, these give you, like, if you have something like a plus b cubed, these are the coefficients. It's going to have 4 terms, and remember the a's are going to go a cubed, a squared, a, and then it'll disappear because it'll be a to the 0. And remember the b's go up. It'd be b to the 0, b1, b squared, b cubed. I don't know if you remember all that. This triangle is helpful with coefficients. The only difference between this and what you were doing before is that now you have, like, instead of a being just x and b being, I don't know, 2 or something, you have other stuff going on. So in this case, a is going to be negative 3x and b is going to be 2y squared. And if it says find the 4th term, see, if it only wants the 4th term, so much easier. You can just go and find the 4th term, like go like, okay, what is it? It's quartic, or it's to the 4th power. So you can go the 4th term, 1, 2, 3, 4. The coefficient's gonna, oh, you can't see. 4th term of something to the 4th power, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you know the 4th term's gonna be 4 times, and then you know a is gonna go a to the 4th, a to the 3rd, a squared, a. So it's going to be 4 times a. Should I write that down somewhere? Let's write it down. It's going to be 4 times a. And then how are the b's going to go on here? It'll go b0, b to the 1, b to the 2, b cubed. Okay, so like for this problem right here, if a is negative 3x, then you have 4 times negative 3x. And b is, I don't know what all b is. What's b? b is 2y squared. Then you can work this all out. So if I just, well, let's just do this part right here. Oh, you can't see. So that would be 4 times this, negative 12x. And this thing I have to cube my 2, so that's going to be 8, and cube this, so that'd be y 6. 12 times 8, 96, something like that. Okay, so that's if you can just want to find, and they explain all that in there. I don't know if I made it more or less confusing than they did. Oh, they use F and S instead of A and B. It's the same thing. F, it stands for first, and S stands for second. Okay, that's if you're only going to try to find one term. If you're going to expand it all the way out like that, I'm going to go ahead and expand one for you right now. Then it's a little bit more work. So I see that the one that needs to get expanded for your homework is number 8. So number 8, it wants me to expand 2a squared minus b cubed. So somewhere, and I even have it, I can color code it. I'm going to say what a is. I call it a and b. Sorry, I just do. They call it F and S. F and S is actually nicer, but I'm kind of in the habit of calling it a and b. A is 2a squared. Okay, b is going to be negative b cubed. I just kind of put these somewhere. And then I'm going to go ahead and get my coefficients. So this is cubed. So I'm going to go to this line right here. So it's going to be a 1, a 3, a 3, and a 1. So I'll write a 1, and I probably didn't leave enough room. A 3, and a 3, and a 1. Okay, and I'm going to have this like my 4 terms that I'm going to have. And then I know a, well, here we'll do it in steps. Remember, a goes downhill, a cubed, and then it'll go a squared, a to the 1, and a to the 0. And this one's going to go b to the 0, b to the 1, b squared, and b cubed. Okay, so then, but then I'm going to fill in all the gaps here. So a cubed, this thing right here is a. So if I cube that whole thing, the 2 will turn into an 8, and then a squared cubed would be the 6. So this will be 8a to the 6th. And then b to the 0, well, anything to the 0 is 1, so that's done with. That's my first term right there. Okay. Then I'm going to have 3 times a squared. Well, a squared, if I square 2, I'm going to get 2, that's 4. And then square that thing, I'll get a to the 4th. Which is going to make 12a to the 4th, but I'll just do that on the next line. Okay. And then, make sure I'm doing this right. Number 8. Yep, that's good. Now, what's happening with b? I have to have b to the first power, it says right here. So, b to the, anything to the first power is itself, so it's just negative b cubed. We'll just clean this up on the next line. Wait, yeah, we'll clean it up on the next line. Okay, and this is going to be 3. What's a to the 1? Well, a to the 1 is just itself, 2a. And what's b squared? B squared, it's going to kind of square out that negative sign, and it's going to be to the 6th power. Okay, and then this last one, a to the 0, anything to the 0 is 1, so I guess the a goes away. B cubed, well, now it's still going to have its negative sign. I should have just not written that plus sign. B cubed. So if I cube that thing, see, it's like I'm cubing it. It's going to be to the 9th power, right? Okay, so then we'll clean it all up if we can. 8a to the 6th. 3 times 4 is 12. Oh, what am I doing? That negative sign. I want that to be negative. So messy. It looks horrible. Oh well. Hopefully you can read that right, because that times that. Okay, so what's going on here? We got 3 times 2, that's 6. A squared b to the 6th minus b to the 9th. Let me check it and make sure it's right. This is number 8. It looks perfect. Okay, and that's how you do it.